spooky friends, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Today I'm going to bag for November, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, I don't feel anything in the bag. Nope. So now we have the bag. It's really nice. Coconut mild foam cleanser. I bet this is gonna smell amazing. Okay, so next thing. Oh, this is the item that I got to pick. This is a anti-aging face moisturizer, and I'm excited to try this thing. This is a mascara, and I will not be opening it to see the wand because I don't want it to dry out before I get a chance to use it. Doesn't look like it's waterproof, but I can see the next thing. This is a primer. I love trying new primers. I get so many, it's so awesome. I don't have to buy any for a while. I'm excited. Last but not least, it's a pressed powder by IPSY. I'm excited to try this. I believe that it is translucent. It is translucent. It is everything. Very nice bag. I am very much excited to try everything. I'm happy to have an anti-aging moisturizer again. I needed a new one. I was almost out of the one that I was using. And then same with the foam cleanser. It came at a great time because I was just about to be finished with the one that they gave me like, I think a bag or two ago. And then the mascaras, I can't go through them fast enough. They keep sending me more mascaras, but I mean, I'm not complaining. I love mascaras. And then the primer, same thing. I can't get through them quick enough. I keep getting a new one, and this is Smashbox. I don't think I've had Smashbox, so I'm excited to finally test this out and see how this works. And then a translucent powder by IPSY. But anyways, guys, that was it for this one. And you know, I've had IPSY now for 2 years, almost 3 years next year, and I absolutely love it. It's been so much fun to try out new brands and new products, and you know, even some things that I've never heard of, and even things that are from different countries, because I mean, that's the whole thing about it, is you find new things that you love. Well, anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, don't forget to subscribe, ring that spooky notification bell, and don't forget to hit all, that way you get notified for every single video that I post. And as always, I will have my link tree down below that will have my Cash App connected to it. If you guys are wanting to help me with my earnings for this month, it's greatly appreciated, seeing as I don't get paid by YouTube. And as always, don't forget to live your life for yourself, do all things with kindness, and forever stay spooky, my friends. Bye!